Hola, amigos. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Spanish cuisine to uncover a hidden gem, Lomo Embuchado. If you're a food enthusiast or just someone curious about international flavors, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting culinary adventures. Now, let's get right into it. Feast your eyes on this exquisite creation, Spanish Lomo Embuchado. But what makes it so special? Well, get ready to be amazed because we're about to unveil some unknown facts about this delicious cured meat. Origins of Lomo Embuchado. Lomo Embuchado has deep roots in Spanish culinary history. Its origins can be traced back to the traditional practice of preserving meat in the Iberian Peninsula. The word embuchado itself refers to the method of stuffing or packing the meat, giving it that unique texture and flavor. The unique curing process. Now, let's talk about the curing process. Unlike other cured meats, Lomo Embuchado undergoes a meticulous process of salting, seasoning, and air drying. The meat is carefully selected, seasoned with a blend of spices like paprika, garlic, and oregano, then left to air dry for several weeks. This process imparts a rich, complex flavor that sets Lomo Embuchado apart from other cured meats. The secret ingredient. Here's the secret ingredient that gives Lomo Embuchado its distinctive taste: pimenton, or Spanish paprika. This magical spice not only adds a vibrant red hue to the meat but also infuses it with a smoky, slightly sweet flavor. It's a key element that elevates Lomo Embuchado to culinary excellence. Regional variations. Just like any other traditional dish, Lomo Embuchado has regional variations. Different Spanish regions have their own unique twists on the recipe, incorporating local spices and flavors. Whether you're in Andalusia, Catalonia, or the Basque Country, you'll encounter different takes on this beloved delicacy. Versatility in Spanish cuisine. Lomo Embuchado isn't just enjoyed on its own. It's a versatile ingredient in Spanish cuisine. From tapas to main dishes, this cured meat adds a burst of flavor to a variety of recipes. Try it sliced thin on a charcuterie board, wrapped around asparagus, or even in a hearty stew. The possibilities are endless. Unique curing locations. Did you know that the location where Lomo Embuchado is cured can significantly impact its flavor? Some producers opt for high-altitude curing, where the cool mountain air contributes to a slower and more controlled drying process. This unique approach enhances the depth of flavor and creates a truly exceptional Lomo Embuchado. Time-honored tradition. One of the most remarkable aspects of Lomo Embuchado is that it's not just a dish. It's a time-honored tradition passed down through generations. Many families in Spain have their own cherished recipes, with grandmothers and mothers imparting their wisdom on the art of crafting the perfect Lomo Embuchado. It's a culinary heritage that adds a touch of love to every slice. Pairing perfection. Now, let's talk about the perfect pairing for Lomo Embuchado. This cured meat is a match made in heaven with a glass of Spanish red wine. The robust flavors of the meat complement the boldness of the wine, creating a sensory experience that will transport you straight to the heart of Spain. Health benefits. Here's a surprising twist. Lomo Embuchado, like other cured meats, contains certain health benefits. It's a good source of protein and healthy fats. The curing process also reduces the water content, making it a concentrated source of nutrients. Of course, moderation is key, but it's nice to know that indulging in this flavorful treat can have its positive side. Festivals and celebrations. In Spain, the love for Lomo Embuchado goes beyond the kitchen. Various regions celebrate this delicacy with festivals and events dedicated to cured meats. These gatherings not only showcase the best Lomo Embuchado but also bring communities together to share in the joy of good food and traditions. Pata Negra excellence. When it comes to Lomo Embuchado, aficionados often seek out a specific variety, Pata Negra. This label signifies that the meat comes from the Iberian pig, a breed known for its exceptional marbling and unique flavor. Pata Negra Lomo Embuchado is a premium experience that captures the essence of the Spanish culinary heritage. Culinary symbolism. Lomo Embuchado isn't just a dish, it carries cultural significance. In some regions of Spain, it's considered a symbol of hospitality and generosity. Offering a plate of Lomo Embuchado to guests is a gesture of warmth and a way to share the rich flavors of Spanish tradition. And there you have it, some fascinating and lesser-known facts about Spanish Lomo Embuchado. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey with me. If you have any favorite international delicacies or if there's something else you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. And until next time.